My name is Matt. I'm part of the customer experience team. So this is going to be your owner's guide. Whenever you get your hardboards in, this is going to become with it. Inside you'll have a manual, you'll have your center fin. You're also going to have your key so you can do your side bite fins. Your side bite fins are going to be on the Rackham, the HD, and the Flood models. The Rackham's going to have 2 sets of side bite fins. The HD and the Flood models are going to have 1 set. These are sold separately. In one pack, they come with 2. So if you have the Rackham, you want to order 2 packs. If you have the HD or the Flood, you're going to only want to order 1 pack. To get them put into the boards, you're going to take the grooves, slide everything right in there, making sure it's nice and flush. You're going to take your key that comes in that owner's manual and screw the in, and then do the other side, same concept, making sure that they are nice and flush, and take your key and screw those in as well.